Guys, welcome to another wonderful video. So quickly, let me show you guys how you can go about buying Bitcoin using your P2P. All right, so I'm going to make a video for buy, which is this one. I'm also going to make a video for sell using your mobile phone. I also made videos on how to buy and sell using your computer or your desktop device. So but right now, make sure you've updated your app, because currently, when I made this video was somewhere around March 2021. So you need to update your app, and of course make sure you do your KYC, and also you do all your email verification, Google Authenticator, and SMS verification, so you can use the P2P platform. All right, so now I'm going to show you tips and everything you need to know about P2P. So right now, let's get into the video. So first of all, you can see the 5 items we have below. We have home, markets, trades, features, and wallet. All right, so I'm just going to click on trade. All right, so once I click on trade, all right, this is what I see. Just scroll up a little bit, I can see convert, margin, spot, fiat, and P2P. So these are the things you can trade. These are the things you can actually trade on Binance. So by click on P2P. All right, so once I click on P2P, this appears. So now look at your P2P from head to from the top to the bottom. All right, now you can see buy. All right, so I can click on sell if I want to sell. So but I'm not talking about sell today. All right, so once I click on buy, I can decide if I want to buy BTC, BUSD, BNB, or BTC, or whatever I want to buy, or if I want to even buy the Nigerian naira currently. So of course, let's buy USDT, then we can swap to any other coin we like if we want to. So right now, I want to buy, for the sake of this video, we just want to buy very little USDT. Let's buy 12,000 naira worth of USDT. So I'm just going to show you guys. So for those of you using low account, this is how it works generally. So right now, what I'm looking for, I'm not looking for the prices, okay? I'm looking for the limit. Now you can see limits. So for look for the first price, you can see this one is Ayodele. All right, so Ayodele is Ayodele wants to sell you USDT for 488.99 naira per USD, and Ayodele has about 116 USDT, and the limit he wants to sell is 57,000 naira, and the highest he wants to sell is about 100,000 naira. So if you like Ayodele offer, then you can click on buy. All right, so but another thing you need to check, just beside Ayodele, you can see 75 trades and 60%. So Ayodele have done 75 trades and actually completed about 60% of them, which is for me, I feel it's poor, because out of 75 trades, that's like half of your trades all went wrong. So I don't think you want to deal with that person, even though he has one of the cheapest offers right here. So right now, we're just going to keep scrolling down to see if any of these people have about somewhere around, maybe their limit should be 10,000, because I want to buy 11,000 naira worth of BTC, right, of USDT, I mean, right? So now I just have to keep going until I can see 12,000 naira or 10,000 naira, 11,000 naira, anything below that point. So you can see a lot of limit right here. So guys, take notes. There are so many things you need to put into consideration, so I just want to show you guys those things I put into consideration. So first of all, I've seen somebody who wants to, this is Jola 456. So Jola 456 has done about 2,395 trades, and he has completed 99.83%. guys, that's wonderful. Like, this guy is this if I just have to click on this immediately. Now he's offering for 489.77. that's fine, that's nice. So his limit is 10,000 naira, which I can go, and he has about 712 crypto available at the moment. So guys, I'm just going to click on buy immediately, because I love this guy's profile. So now I can buy fiat, I can buy crypto. So but the amount I want to buy, I'm just going to type it right here, 12,000 naira. All right, so I'm buying with fiat. All right, that means I have to click I have to put that in naira, right? Fiat means the local currency. So but if I'm buying in crypto, I have to put whatever crypto I'm using, but like this is it, I have to put what I need to put right there. But say I'm putting fiat right now. Okay, so now I'm buying. You can see the amount is 12,000 naira. You can see the quantity is 24.50 USDT, which is okay for me. So I'm just gonna buy that right now at the moment. Okay, right now it says ad has been updated and refreshed. All right, so above you can see price and you can see the limit. So and you can see 5 seconds for it to be refreshed. All right, so this means that the buyer might maybe during this moment the buyer might have sold all his currency, then you will not be able to buy, so it has to refresh. Or maybe the buyer has changed his price or changed his limit or whatever the buyer has the seller has done. All right, so let's refresh again and see if that's going to go in. All right, so in this case we just have to go back and look for somebody else. So but to do that I just have to come up and just click refresh. So we're going to start again and again. So we're looking for somebody that has like we send somewhere around 10,000 naira, below 10,000 naira or above 10,000 naira a bit. So okay, I can see crypto farm. So and he has done 38 trades, which is very little, but he has finished 92%, which is very good. So I'm going to go for this guy. So right now I'm just going to click buy for crypto farms, and of course quickly let me do this before the time runs out of us again. So I'm just going to click on buy USDT, and the next page that opens is straight up. So first of all I just have to look at the message. All right, so I can call him. You can see the call button very close to the message icon. So but I'm going to click on the message icon, and first thing I need to do is just to ask, are you online? You online? So because I want everything to be swift. So most people are offline, and when you make payments they take time to pay and all of that, so it delays. So you just have to ask him if he's online. Then if he is, then good. Now you can now see transfer fund, right? Don't click on transfer fund, click on payment method. Click on this drop down below right here now. All right, then you can click on payment method. Which payment method you want to pay this guy? So right now you can see time remaining. I have 14 minutes to pay him, or this stuff will be cancelled automatically. All right, so right now I just have to click on, I have to copy the guy's name. All right, I have to copy his bank account name, and that's his name, Matthew blah blah blah. I don't want to say it because of it's confidential. Then I just have to go to my mobile app. All right, I have to go to my mobile app and actually make this payment, then come back, guys. All right, so now I just have to click on transferred, that I have made the payment and I have transferred the funds. And right now I'm not going to click on appeal except if the payer refused to pay on time. So let's go back to message and see if this guy has answered us. So right now if the guy is okay, now it says, like I said, I asked him, are you online? He was like yes, and okay, then now we can do deals, right? That means he's going to easily confirm the what's it called, the payment, and of course he's going to release my USDT very soon. So now in this case most people use Kuda bank account, or Kuda Microsoft bank account, micro finance bank account, sorry. And yeah, of course that's one of the fastest, like the fastest you can ever get in Nigeria, and it works very well. So guys, in case that person is not online, make sure you call that person, make sure that person is online before you make payment. All right, so but if anything happens, you don't like the person, maybe the person is slow, or sometimes maybe the bank you are paying to, because sometimes it depends on which bank you're paying to, or if that bank at the moment do not have service. For example, Access Bank, you can easily cancel payments if you have not made payment. All right, so right now we just have to wait for this guy to receive payment on his own side, and of course, and confirm our USDT. I hope it doesn't take time, so this video won't be long, but if it does, then I will just have to cut it for you guys to enjoy this video. So these are the things you need to consider before diving into um, um, buying or selling Bitcoin with anybody. First of all, you're not looking at the rate. Don't be greedy. The rate does not really mean they are when somebody's giving you 480 and somebody's giving you 481. Most people go for the 480 no matter what, but 481, the differences are not really too big. Maybe at the end of the day it's 100 naira difference. And so, but what you're looking at is how many percentage that person has done so far, and how many trades that person have done, and how many percentage that person have finished. So maybe from 50 trade is okay, 50 trade is okay, and if that person have completed around 85, 80, 85 up to 90 trades, then that would be very, very lovely. That person is sure, and that person is smart, and that person is good. So right now we're still waiting for this guy. We just have to wait, guys. So alright guys, now you can see he has released my BTC, my USDT, and of course Binance is going to send me a message that okay, your whatever has been released, and okay, yeah, I can now see, I can just rate it if I want to, then click done. Then now my order is completed. So right now I have about 24 USDT in my P2P wallet. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what I mean by P2P wallet. All right, so now when we go back, I can click on wallet, so then I can see the 5 main menu below. Then once I click on wallet, then I'm just going to go for P2P. You can see P2P above. Then right now you can see I have $24 P2P. So right now I'm just going to transfer it to my spot, or I can leave it here. It depends on the plans I have for the coin. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe please, and make sure you also drop a comment to encourage the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.